Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you, Mamta and Archana, for joining in. We are on chapter number 26, which talks about depression from this amazing book, Master Your Emotions. And this book has only 29, I think 29 chapters. So almost like we are on the tail of this book now, right? 29 है ना, let me एक बार check. हाँ 29 है तो 26%, 28.9, 4 more days to go. So this is the last week. Fifth day को I might talk about the entire book as a whole. ठीक है. Also in the masterclass I had shared that there will be some point system that will be starting from now onwards. That will be about how you are committing to show up in which book reading club, whether it is 2 p.m., 10 p.m. ग्रोथ एक्स वीकेंड्स पे आप शो अप करने का सोच रहे हो, क्या करने का सोच रहे हो, एंड हाउ यू आर शोइंग अप इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू क्लब इन फॉर द पॉइंट सिस्टम. तो ये सारी मैं कल बैठ के लिस्ट बना रही थी एंड आई हैव कम अप विद वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लान. तो आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट विद ईच वन ऑफ यू एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आज डिप्रेशन डिप्रेशन बड़ा डिफिकल्ट फेज होता है लाइफ का हर किसी के लिए. एंड लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट. Network is a little slow today, right? Okay. Depression.
हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ तो है परेशानी.
It's like fluttering सा लग रहा है.
हाँ, बट
हम्म,
ट्राई करो.
कोई नहीं. Let's see. The hardest thing about depression is that it is addictive. It begins to feel uncomfortable not to be depressed. You feel guilty of feeling happy. हम लोगों ने ये चीज ना देखी है. कई लोग जब दुखी होते हैं they are satisfied, and the moment they start feeling good about something they feel they don't deserve it, and they go back to the guilt mode, the depressive mode, whatever you can say. Non-clinical depression occurs when you are not where you want to be in life. You have lost any hope to ever be and can't accept it. This might happen after a tragic event in your life or more progressively as some aspects of your life slowly fall apart. Depression results from feeling hopeless in one or several areas of your life. Here are some examples. You lost your job and have no hope of finding a new one to match your expectations. You are sick and have no hope to recover as well as you would like to. You are divorced from your partner and can only see your kids once in a while. You have little hope in finding suitable partner. You are in so much of debt that it seems as though you will never get out of it. You suffered uh, bereavement. पता नहीं ये क्या होता है bereavement. Okay.
Demise of a family member.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mamta. While the events above are tragic, depression can also be created out of more ordinary, less severe events. For instance, some people may spend so much time dwelling in the past or worrying about the future that eventually become depressed. This may happen even though no significant events have occurred in their lives. It is essential to remind yourself that depression, like other emotional states, is neither good nor bad. It just is. You are not your depression. You existed before it. You exist during it. And all things being equal, you will exist after it. I have seen so many times when people see multiple failures in their lives, they feel depressed and they choose not to go forward because they feel that they have multiple evidences from their past telling that मैं तो जो भी करूंगी या करूंगा I am going to fail. So they do not move forward and then they stay in the state of depression. Well, they need to understand जो हो चुका है वो हो चुका है. Now you are a new being. You have learned a lot from your failures, and now when you step ahead, you have much more wisdom than what you were expecting yourself to be in. Right? पहले आपको उतनी विजडम नहीं थी. वो फेलियर्स देख देख के आप बहुत कुछ सीखे भी होगे ना, तो आगे हो सकता है वो फेलियर ना हो. The hope is what keeps you alive, and you must keep on, working on it. Depression is an active process. While it may seem as though depression is happening to you, it is in fact created by the negative thoughts you identified with. Thus, you do have some responsibility in creating your depression. Does it mean you should feel guilty or beat yourself up for being depressed? Of course not. Never. In fact, you should never beat yourself up for any of the emotions you feel. That would be pointless. What it means, however, is that because you have played a part in creating your current emotional state, you also have the power to get out of it. And that's a great news, right? Remember, Dr. David K. Reynolds' first-hand experience with depression. He wrote the following. Depression can be created by sitting slouched in a chair, shoulders hunched, head hanging down. Repeat these words over and over. There is nothing anybody can do. No one can help. It's hopeless. I'm helpless. I give up. Shake your head. Sigh, cry. In general, act depressed and the genuine feeling will follow in time. So yesterday only, I was in a 2 days intensive training of how to communicate, and wherein I learned how we change our emotional state through our body language, through our thoughts, through our words, and the environment around us. So it is very important कि अगर आप ऐसे करके बोलोगे कि मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, it is impossible that you feel that happiness. And when you are smiling, you're happy, your eyes are shining, and you're saying, I am depressed. I am depressed. Can it be possible? No. So when you bring your body into that, when your body language starts speaking, कि आप sad हो, आप खुश नहीं हो, make sure that you do something that makes you happy physically so that you gain that. Just a moment.
बिल्कुल सही।
Just a moment. I have an important call. I'll just pause it for a moment.
हाँ, प्लीज प्लीज ले ले।
Thank you. Thank you for that little pause that you gave me the permission for. All right. Anybody wants to share anything here?
वही करिश्मा, you have truly said we can change our emotions by just changing our body language, the way we sit, the way we stand, the way we talk, the way we think, and thus obviously we can come out of that depressive situation. It is all up to us how we can take it. तो बैठे बैठे भी आप आराम से डिप्रेस्ड हो सकते हो without doing anything, and just a little change in your being can bring a lot of happiness in you.
इसीलिए कहते हैं smile a little more.
Yes.
जरा smile कर लो. Archana, you will start feeling a little better.
Yeah, I am smiling. बस ये है कि मैं लेटी हुई हूँ, बट ठीक है, थोड़ा सा I'm not depressed. I am I am little in pain, बस और कुछ नहीं, like feeling little weak, that's it.
David K. Reynolds' depression was entirely self-created. It was an active process that including adopting a certain body language, repeating certain words, and having certain thoughts. He had to act in a certain way to become depressed. The good news is that because you have the power to create depression, you also have the power to climb out of it. However, in the negative states such as depression, ignoring negative thoughts and replacing them with more positive ones can be extremely challenging. Even if you try to think positive thoughts of gratitude, joy, or happiness, at first they will seem to have no power. आपने देखा है कभी आपके घर में लड़ाई हो जाए और क्योंकि आपको पता है कि यार आई नीड टू बी इन अ पॉजिटिव स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, यू ट्राई टू टेल योरसेल्फ हाँ मेरा पति बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा पति बहुत अच्छा है, एंड यू आर लाइक लाफिंग एट योर ओन सेल्फ कि पागल है क्या बोल रही है, अभी तो लड़के गया मेरे से, कहाँ से अच्छा है, इसको समझ ही नहीं आती मेरे बारे में.
ये फनी सिचुएशंस तो होती ही है.
करिश्मा, ये पता कब होता है? when this thing has happened and you suddenly got a call from the sister-in-law, isn't it? Then
यस इट हैपेंस। ये रिलेशन ही ऐसा है ना, तो 1 मिनट में आप लड़ोगे, थोड़ी देर बाद उसके बगैर काम भी नहीं चलना।
नहीं,
इट्स
ऐसी
लाइक
बात नहीं
दैट।
है। चुप रहो, टच वुड। सही चल रहा है। नहीं, एक्चुअली द अदर डे आई वाज टेलिंग हाउ नीरज और मेरे को लगता है हर 3-4 महीने में एक बार लड़ लेना चाहिए, सो दैट थोड़ा सा ग्राउंडेड रहे हम, ज्यादा हवा में ना उड़ना शुरू कर दे। एंड दैट डे ओनली आई गॉट फाइट विद हिम। ही shouted such a loud volume that मेरी जेठानी, मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ, एवरीबॉडी वाज आस्किंग क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया। एंड माय जेठानी एक्चुअली वेंट आउटसाइड टू सी क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट हो गया क्या नीरज का। एंड आई वाज लाइक and I was looking at him like ये क्या हो गया।
कोई नहीं, हम तो ऐसे ही लड़ लड़ के इतने बड़े हुए हैं।
नहीं
पर
and
ये कि आज हम लड़ वड़ के भी दोस्तों की तरह बैठ के आजकल नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज भी देखते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, उसके बाद आई सो इट्स लाइक अब सो पहले तो मैंने हाउ डिड आई ब्रेक दैट आइस। आई सॉ एक कबूतर दूसरे कबूतर के पीछे पीछे जा रहा था, है ना। एंड मैंने पूरी उसकी स्टोरी बना के नीरज को सुनाई। नीरज वो देखो, वो कबूतर उसके दूसरे कबूतर के पीछे पीछे जा रहा है। आगे वाली जरूर वाइफ होगी, वो हो गई होगी, थोड़ी एटीट्यूड में आ गई होगी। पीछे पीछे पति जाए जा रहा है, जाए जा रहा है, उसको समझाने मनाने नहीं मान। तो ना एक मोमेंट ऐसा है, वो कबूतर एक्चुअली रुक गया, है ना। और वो कबूतर जो दूसरा कबूतर था वो चलता जा रहा है, चलता जा रहा है। एंड आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम दैट कबूतर रियलाइज दैट दिस कबूतर इज नॉट फॉलोइंग, दिस कबूतर आल्सो स्टॉप्स एंड ही मूव, पीछे मुड़ के देख रहा है। एंड दिस जो पीछे वाला कबूतर था वो उड़ गया। एंड वो उड़ गया तो it's like, मैंने पूरी स्टोरी बनाई। मैंने नीरज को बोला देखो आप भी ऐसे ही गुस्सा करते हो ना, आप मुझे मनाते रहते हो, फिर मैं मानती नहीं हूँ, फिर आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है, फिर मैं सोचती हूँ भाई ये क्या हो गया, है ना। ऐसे ही मैं भी पलटती हूँ कि क्या हो गया भाई। हैप्पी मोमेंट, वी वर लाइक लाफिंग। हाय हम कबूतर कबूतर है क्या। हमने अगली बार नहीं करना, ठीक है, अगली बार मैं थोड़ी सा नाराज होंगी, आप मेरे को मनाते रहना। हेलो मधुका, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग इन।
Hi,
ऑलराइट,
Karishma. Good afternoon.
but you may experience other negative emotions such as anger, for instance. You may ignore your anger at first. Your friends may even encourage you to do so. They would rather see you quiet and depressed and then angry. However, sometimes anger may help you move up the emotional ladder and overcome depression. Keep in mind, and emotions other than depression can help you and learn to embrace whatever emotional state seems to give you more energy and therefore provide you more power to move up the emotional ladder. So, अगर हम इमोशनल लैडर देखेंगे ना, तो हमारा डिप्रेशन बहुत नीचे है, एंगर उससे ऊपर है, जेलसी कहीं पे है, कहीं पे वो है। तो इट इज नॉर्मली सेड कि आप एकदम ग्राउंडेड डिप्रेसिव स्टेट से ग्रेटफुल स्टेट पे नहीं जा सकते हो। तो इट्स बेटर कि ग्रेटिट्यूड के, अगर आप डिप्रेशन में हो, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, आप गुस्सा निकाल दोगे तो आप लैडर में वहां से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठ जाओगे। जहां पे आप कुछ भी नहीं सोच रहे हो, कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप सिर्फ सल्क होके बैठे हुए हो, उस स्टेट से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आने में एक्चुअली आपको जो गुस्सा करना है वो हेल्प करता है। उस गुस्से के बाद कहीं पे हंसी आएगी, और कहीं पे हंसी के बाद आप हंस मतलब आपकी वो जो ठीक हो जाएगा, जो भी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरी और नीरज की लड़ाई हुई थी, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग, राइट। कि पहले वो हम दोनों चुप, वो एटीट्यूड मैं एटीट्यूड, देन दिस वन शाउटिंग, उसको गुस्सा आया, मैं भी डर गई, ओ ये क्या हो गया इसको, है ना। तो एंड देन द कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग, व्हेन द कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग वी रियलाइज अच्छा 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 सब बढ़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया, नाउ इट्स ऑल गुड। Within 2-3 hours everything is okay if you choose to you know climb the emotional ladder. David K. Reynolds also suggested that feelings fluctuate over time even with depressed people. He wrote, in the deepest depression, there are ripples and waves of somewhat lighter moods. You can use moments when you feel slightly better to take whatever action may be beneficial to you at that time. And how to use depression to grow? Depression is a sign you have lost touch with reality. Have you noticed that human beings are one of the few species on earth that has the ability to become depressed? This is because they are the only ones who can get lost in their mind and become enslaved with the negative thoughts and disempowering stories. Depression is a sign that you need to move away from your mind by letting go of your worries about the past, future, or your interpretations of the present situation and reconnect to the present moment. It can be a powerful invitation to let go of the identity you have been clinging to for so many years. This identity is what led you to believe you should be doing certain things, making a certain amount of money, adopting a certain lifestyle, or developing a certain social status. Depression invites you to reconnect with your body and emotions while getting out of your head. After all, didn't your mind create the depression in the first place? Some people who experience severe grief, sadness, or depression like to keep themselves busy to avoid thinking. When depressed, more thinking is seldom the solution. You rarely see people getting out of depression by using their mind. Therefore, instead of thinking, you want to reconnect with your body. Exercise is a great way to do this and has been shown to be effective in the improving your mood. For additional information, refer to the section The Benefits of Exercising. In some rare cases, severe depression can lead people to separate from their mind. When this happens, their story suddenly drops. Apparently, this is what happened with Eckhart Tolle, as he recalls in his book, The Power of Now. He had sudden awakening and his mind stopped. Here is what he wrote. Just a moment, let me check it. Here is what he wrote about his experience. This withdrawal must have been so complete that this false suffering self immediately collapsed, just as if a plug had been pulled out of the inflatable toy. In summary, depression tells you to let go of your ego and reconnect with reality. It invites you to get out of your mind, which can only recall the past to anticipate the future and live more in the present. Severe depression may require the help of a professional, but for the mildest depression, here are some meditating strategies. But before we go into the strategies, I would invite for each one of you to share what do you have the insights from this as of now. All right. Mamta, would you like to share something?
For me, this is a very interesting topic because I am relating it to my other field. So when there is a thought into our mind and we keep continuously, thinking on one particular thing, that leads to depression. अगर हमारे मन में बहुत सारी टेंशन हैं तो वो एक स्ट्रेस लेवल पे आता है बट व्हेन देर इज अ पर्टिकुलर थॉट जिसके ऊपर हम सोचे जा रहे हैं और हमें कोई रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा उस चीज से बाहर आने का या वट एवर टू मूव अहेड दैट लीड्स टू डिप्रेशन नंबर वन नंबर टू अ पर्सन हु मूव्स आउट फ्रॉम दिस थ्रू आफ्टर ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ फेज इसको फेस करने के बाद जब हम बाहर आते हैं दैट इज द टाइम विच इज अ पीरियड ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बेसिकली. And the best thing to come out of this thing is obviously the meditation, the regular exercises, and to do some kind of studies. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना psychology, zoology, जिसके भी end में logy word आ रहा है, that kind of study, be it irrespective of any field, if you do that, it will help you to come out of this because that is something we considered as the study under the ground. एनी काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च पर्पज में जिन लोगों को ओवर थिंकिंग का बहुत ज्यादा रहता है व्हाट वी से बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग करते हैं अगर वो रिसर्च काइंड ऑफ थिंग में जाते हैं तो उनका माइंड एक्चुअली सही जगह पे यूटिलाइज होना शुरू हो जाता है उनकी एनर्जी सही जगह पे शुरू हो जाती है सो ऑब्वियसली दे विल नॉट बी इन अ थिंकिंग जोन and it is helpful for them to come out of this overthinking process, which can lead to depression because of one single particular thing जो कंसिस्टेंटली कुछ भी हो सकता है, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, किसी ने छोटी सी भी बात कह दी वो बहुत हर्ट करेगी, बड़ी से बड़ी चीजें इग्नोर कर देते हैं एट टाइम्स वी इन आवर लाइफ, है ना, बट छोटा से छोटा भी हर्ट कर जाता है. सो according to me, if we do like if we are into numerology, astrology, reading part even of this kind of topics, so it is helping us also directly or indirectly to come out of all these things. Yesterday, छोटा सा example, yesterday I was not feeling good somehow. छोटी मोटी हिट पिट कुछ भी चलती है, kind of it, है ना, but I had a curiosity that yes, I have to learn today something new, right? And I was doing my journaling part. So when I was doing those things, so मेरा पूरा entire mind was get diverted from whatever XYZ tensions I was facing. And later on, gradually, I was able to come out of it. कि ठीक है यार, ये तो normal course है life का. Will not give much importance to that. So sooner or later, I was okay with that. कि ठीक है, it's a part of life.
Wow. Thank you, Mamta, for sharing that. All right, let's go to Archana. Archana, would you like to share something?
Yes, so it's very necessary to understand why depression actually happens. So, depression basically happens when you are holding on something inside you so much that you are not ready, you are not able to express it out, right? So, like it is said, ki different stages say you have to, come out of it. Maybe showing anger or something. So, anger is what? Anger is another form of expressing yourself, right? So, जो थोड़ा एंगर शो कर रहा है, we can say कि that person is at like little better stage than being into the depression, because at least the person is expressing. So depression को overcome करना, as Mamta also shared, but like okay, studying numerology, ology, as she said, it's like different, but not everybody can do these things. But what I think that giving your mind a kind of challenge that okay, do something new, right? Indulge into some different activities, come out of it, maybe having an exercise routine as simple as that, maybe doing breath works, or learning dancing skills, or doing paintings, and all that stuff also help you in coming out of the depressive states. And again, journaling and doing the meditative exercises or visualization, or whatever way the person can do it. So main thing is that lack of expressions lead to the depression. So if we start expressing in a way wherein we can start working on ourselves, wherein you start expressing yourself in some way or the other, it will help you in come out of your depressive state. So this is what I think, because negative thinking, overthinking, एक बात दिमाग में stuck हो गई, and we are keep on thinking, and that negative thinking turns out into the overthinking mode, and we are not able to get out of it. So the best way is to distract your mind, to indulge into something or the other thing, maybe even if it is just like for an hour or two, want to go and watch a movie, or indulge in watching some series or something would also help, because that time you are shifting your mood, you're shifting your energy, you're shifting your thoughts. So even these smaller things could also help in doing that. Maybe listening to some very good cheerful song and dance it out. Just not thinking about how beautifully I am dancing, it is just about moving your body in a way to shift your energies.
And there are times when ये जो comedy circus and this and that are
Yes, yes.
इन सबको देखो so that you come out of it.
बिल्कुल, आई मीन यू कैन हैव एनीथिंग एंटरटेनिंग डूइंग, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि हम हमेशा सोचे कि हमें कुछ मतलब बड़ा
Productive ही करना
इंटेलिजेंट वाला ही काम करना है. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज दैट. ओके, यू कैन सिट हैविंग जस्ट वॉच which can make you laugh, which can make you shift your emotion differently, and you can see okay, yes, मैं अब मतलब you are now heartfelt, you are laughing, or maybe something you really wanted to watch since long and you couldn't, just do that. And just maybe go out with your children, or all alone, or maybe with your friends, and just कुछ भी ऐसा एक्टिविटी में इंडल्ज होना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ पर्सन.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there are times when we take life too seriously because of
यस,
which we get into all of it.
मैं पिछले 3 दिन से whatever would be my physical situation, but I am getting ample of time to ponder over it. Ki maybe somewhere I have also taken my life too seriously, 24 by 7, thinking about the same thing. In a way, I'm thinking I am getting productive, or I'm just doing these thinking because I just want to have some new ideas around or something. But in a way, we are like, overwhelming ourselves, draining our energies. So we need to make those spaces in our being as well, wherein ओके यार, ठीक है, मैं आज बैठ के मैं भी जरा बिंज वॉचिंग कर लूं. आई हैव नेवर डन. लेट मी हैव सम इंटरेस्टिंग सीरीज कम आउट ऑफ इट, एंड let me do some binge watching. And therein, Karishma won't believe, I find a friend in my husband, which had been my dream of since years. And my son was like laughing and saying, now mama, you have a new homie, and now you both would be sitting and watching this series together, and it would be like a different kind of a relationship that we have started sharing. In morning we have a routine to watch one, that's थोड़ा सा हम वो देखते हैं शिव शक्ति, दोनों एक दूसरे के बिना नहीं देखते, तो दैट हैज बिकम अ काइंड ऑफ रूटीन फॉर अस. एंड अभी मैं कोई एक बहुत अच्छा सा थ्रिलर देख रही हूँ नेटफ्लिक्स पे. सो आई so yesterday he came and sat with me and he said कि what are you watching? I said this is this. So he started watching. वैसे वो थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश सीरीज कम देखना पसंद करते हैं, बट नाउ he started taking interest and he said यार यार ये तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, चल 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 मैं भी देखता हूँ. And we watched it till 11 o'clock at night, and we were enjoying. He said कि okay, अब हम दोनों साथ बैठ के देखेंगे. So this is a kind of, wherein I found ki if I have taken time, this is what we are doing. We are learning from our lives, right? We are trying in a way to make our life better, maybe in terms of career, finances, relationship, health, and every aspect is necessary. So even if this what change I found within myself in this year, that even if it is like a step ahead in growth in my relationship, which is what I was also looking since ages, now it is I'm reaching out to that. So that is my real win, which I found within the span of these 3-4 days. So this is what.
Wow, that was a beautiful share, Archana. And to be honest, let me share with you as well on that note that I make sure that when I'm out of this room, I'm not with this room at all. I am making sure that wherever I am, I'm 100% there. Reason being, when I come in this room, so this it's like otherwise kids will say आप तो हमेशा busy होते हो, आप तो कभी बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो. Husband will start complaining as well, and this is something that I don't want to happen,
Yes.
right?
However, at times you need to make certain sacrifices. Like, yesterday evening in the later part of that master class, which was that 2 days workshop, which we both were going together. So I had to leave that part just to make to be with him. So ठीक है, फिर then I suggested ठीक है हम एक time decide कर लेंगे. So you need to be patient and need to understand to take 1 or 2 steps ahead कि कैसे. So he
एक दिन
also
ऐसी
understood.
alignment हो जाएगी अर्चना, when you decide that I want to attend this session ना, your husband will be out for
नहीं
some
नहीं,
work.
वो होते हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. तो आज तक तो मैंने सारे सेशंस पूरे ही अटेंड करे हैं, बट दिस इज डिफरेंट काइंड
Yes.
ऑफ हैपेंड. एंड आई सेड ओके ठीक है, मैं इस पार्ट को रिकॉर्डिंग में देख लूंगी, और समथिंग आई आस्क समबडी कि क्या हुआ था. फॉर मी राइट नाउ, इफ इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, लेट मी गिव माई टाइम देयर. तो
Yes.
that the choice I have made. I would have said no to him also, but then I choose not to say.
You have to choose, you have to balance things, you have to have harmony in things. कहीं पे
Uh,
ज्यादा, कहीं पे कम, कहीं पे कम, कहीं पे ज्यादा.
and I think he also knew that I was not feeling well, so he also wanted कि थोड़ा mood change हो जाएगा, because even though I was attending the session, but it was all camera off, and I was just lying and listening and trying to imbibe, absorb things. But again, he said कि ठीक है अब आ जा, पूरे दिन से तो you were sitting in front of
Yes.
it ना. ठीक है चलो.
Chalo. Thank
Sure.
you. Thank you for sharing that. Let's hear it from Madhulika.
Hi, Karishma. Thanks, Archana, and thank you, Mamta, for the beautiful share. So I joined a little late. You were talking about the topic, the chapter we are reading is depression.
Yes,
If you
that's
sacrifice, yeah, if you sacrifice your voice to maintain peace, it is no more peaceful inside. It is very, very important to express your emotions. An expression of emotion, as we have already studied in this book, first name it to tame it. First name the emotion, then channelize its energy, right? Then channelize its energy. That the next is find out why. Why is this emotion is happening to me? Is this is the reason? Is this is the same thing what I'm feeling right now? Is this is the reason? And then third one is channelize its energy, right? So if you choose to be silent on something and you sulk, keep on sulking, definitely it will become a big blob where a big blob of negative emotions where we will not be able to breathe, won't be able to think positive. And yes, we have just studied in this book itself, in this chapter itself, that till now in history, no one has came out of depression using their mind. It has to be, you have to shift your energy to something physically movement, some physical movement, as Archana has suggested, maybe dancing, or there's so many other examples, art and walking or anything, but physical movement when energy जहां फ्लो हो रही होती है आपका अटेंशन भी वहीं जा रहा होता है तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वे एंड एज ममता सजेस्टेड दैट एनीथिंग दैट हैज अ लॉजी आई मीन after that any study, because yes, each study that has a logic at the end, it really needs your integrate and undivided attention. आपको deep dive करना पड़ता है तो जब आप एक चीज में deep dive करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली हाँ आपका दूसरी तरफ से दिमाग हट जाएगा चाहे वो कोई भी हो. यू कैन पिक अप एनीथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इंटरेस्ट. कई बार साइकोलॉजी पढ़ने में, चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पढ़ने में भी उतना ही मजा आने लग जाता है. सो यू गेट अवे आउट ऑफ योर थॉट्स. सो that's it. I think physical movement is the best, which most of the people suggest and most of the people do also. We also apply that part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Karishma, you're on mute.
all right. Thank you, Madhulika. That was short and crisp. Thank you for sharing that. Let's understand the exercises to reconnect with your, what is it? The how meditating strategies that the author has shared. Exercise is to reconnect with your body and your emotions. To overcome depression, it is essential for you to escape your mind. It's easier to feel your way out of depression than to think your way out of depression. I would venture to say that most people spend over 90% of their lives in their mind. They have, क्या हुआ? Chat में क्या आया? Okay. Agree कर रहे हैं. Mamta is agreeing to whatever was being talked about. I would venture to say that the most people spend 90% of their lives in their mind. They have only rare moments of lucidity when they are fully aware and present. For instance, they don't listen to the people, but they judge and interpret what they say, anticipate what they will say next, and get lost in their thoughts. All these things happen at the mind level and show how people are not fully present because they either live in the past or in the future, that is, in their mind. They experience a number of negative emotions. Below are some of the things you can do to connect with your body and your emotions. Exercises. As previously discussed, exercising is a great way to calm your mind and connect with your body, and it has a positive effect on your mood. So I will tell you that my brother, when he was going through a divorce, he was uh, he was in a deep depression, and he got connected to a shrink. So this shrink, suggested him that you start going to gym. And once he started going to gym, his entire being shifted. Why? Because जो हमारे hormones secrete हो रहे थे, another kind of happy hormone started secreting, and he got into a better state. And वैसे हमारे को नहीं पता था. This is something मेरी मम्मी ने पीछे से उसकी डायरी में पढ़ा. We were just thinking कि पता नहीं क्यों जिम जाना शुरू हो गया. But yes, exercising shifts a lot of things in your body, and I have also, experienced it. The days I used to, work out, I used to feel very happy, and the days I was not working out, I would feel sulking. Abhi, the things have shifted, but at that time when about which I'm talking about is those are the days when I was going through massive things in my heart and soul कि कुछ नहीं है जिंदगी में, people are just this, I have not done nothing and I have not done anything in my life, this that these kind of thoughts were eating me up. And उस time पे मैंने workout करना शुरू किया था because of something, I don't know what, and I felt the massive shift in myself as well. Number 2 is meditate. Meditation is an effective way to observe your mind and stop identifying with your thoughts so heavily. Meditation is simply a tool to help you reconnect with the reality by observing thoughts, emotions, and sensations instead of getting lost in your mind. Then another activity is getting busy allows you to avoid excessive thinking. Instead of feeding your depression with constant negative thoughts, concentrate your attention on something else. ये I think ममता ने भी बताया, अर्चना ने भी बताया, मधुरिका ने भी बताया कि you start indulging yourself into something that takes your focus away from your depressive negative state. Focus on others. As mentioned in the Dale Carnegie's book, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, Alfred Adler used to say in his Melancholia Patient, you can be cured in 14 days if you follow this prescription. Try to think every day how you can please someone. Whether or not it is accurate, focusing on others can certainly help you forget about your own issues and focus on something more positive. How many of you know, being coaches here, कि हमारे घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही होती है, बट आपने कोई सेशन लेना होता है, यू हैव टू हैव अ वन ऑन वन सेशन विद समबडी, यू फॉरगेट अबाउट योर ओन थिंग बिकॉज यू आर 100% कमिटेड टू द पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू, हु इज हियर विद यू टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू लीड हिज और हर लाइफ. आप भूल ही जाते हो कि अपनी जिंदगी में भी कोई स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी या प्रॉब्लम चल रही है. अग्री, ममता अग्री कर रही है. आई कंप्लीटली अग्री. Wonderful. Unfortunately, when you feel depressed, you won't want to do any of these things. However, as you start moving and start keeping yourself busy, your situation will gradually improve and it will become easier and easier. Thus, it is important to take things just one step at a time. That is it. Anybody wants to share anything more?
So here I would like to say one thing. So as you said कि ये last में लिखा हुआ है ना कि taking steps, and in depressive state you would not love to do anything. So here I think community plays a very good role, and your friends play a very good role, your partners play a very good role. So if you be into the community of like-minded people, they will pull you out, they push you to take these steps in your life. कि चल चल चलना चल करते हैं, चल जाके आओ. अच्छा, we as we push each other, being friends, तो तूने किया नहीं, just go and do that. अच्छा, come, let's go together. So this will also help you in getting out of the situation. So try to be into the vicinity of like-minded people, whether online or offline. That is why people nowadays, they would love to remain in community so that they can be pushed by each other and they can grow, and they can here, even if in my society also, we all try to see, okay, why this person is not getting active, what is the reason why she's not being seen or heard, where were you? So at least we have that courtesy to ask our friends, oh, where were you since long, we were not seeing you since long, where in the world you were there and not being seen. Acha, chal 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 सैर करने चल रही है. So these things, help you to keep going and moving. And so as like, online communities like this that we have all created, and this would also help in pushing you at larger extent. So this is what I think is another form that you can take
This is a
yourself
family
out of
culture
the.
that this is a family culture that we are creating. How, when you see your mom, अरे आप आज उदास हो क्या? आज आपकी शक्ल से लग रहा है आप उदास हो. And my mom is like, हाँ मैं उदास हूँ. अच्छा आज आपकी शुगर बढ़ी हुई है क्या? How? Why do you know that? नहीं आपकी आईज ऐसे लग रही है. So this is how we, start knowing each other. We get into, this relationship, this bond कि हाँ अर्चना की मैंने शक्ल नहीं देखी है, मैंने उसकी आवाज सुनी है. ना अच्छा अभी तक आप अच्छा नहीं फील कर रहे हो क्या? This is
Hmm,
what is going to happen when you stay connected with the community. एक
true.
इमोशनल बॉन्ड आ जाता.
और कई बारी एक एक मैसेज ही और एक पुश ही इंसान का ना हेल्प इज इनफ टू टेक यू आउट फ्रॉम दैट सिचुएशन. और मे बी यू वुड बी सेव्ड बिग टाइम टू एंटर इनटू दैट जोन. So that's very important.
Okay. All right. Mamta wants to share. Anji Mamta.
Yes, I have something interesting to share. According to my knowledge, the house which is giving us the problem is the solution also. Like, for example, if I'm struggling with some digestive issues or something, it means that there is a problem with my diet, right? So if I change my diet, everything will be aligned. I'll be disciplined, and the moment I discipline, I'll having good food. I'll be all right. So it happens with the these things also. Okay, like if we are not well, and here we are using the strategy to do the meditation because that house gives us the meditation also. जहाँ से हम connect करते हैं कि this house is a problem of obstacles. So if we do these things, the meditation, the discipline, and the reading of any kind of thing, it helps us to come out of that particular thing. So these all are interrelated. Like जिमिंग का भी जैसे आपने बोला ना, तो उसमें भी यही चीज होती है कि there we are utilizing the right power of that particular planet. So when we are either जो हमारी एनर्जी है, it could be positive, it could be negative. अगर उसको पॉजिटिव वे में यूज करेंगे, लाइक जिमिंग एंड ऑल, विल बी फिट एंड फाइन एंड हेल्दी. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो वो दूसरी फॉर्म में जाएगी, नेगेटिव फॉर्म में. हम लोग इनडिसिप्लिन हैं, विल बी फैटी, फिर डॉक्टर्स के पास जाएंगे, वही पैसा वहां पे लगाएंगे. सो इट इज ऑल इंटर रिलेटेड. So I think it is into our hand only to utilize that particular thing in the right way and to come out of all those things.
So well said. I still remember जब मेरी ना सबसे छोटी वाली डॉटर को गुस्सा आता है तो आई नॉर्मली टेल हर, अरे बड़े दिन हो गए तू पार्क नहीं गई, एक चक्कर भाग के लगा के दिखा, लेट्स सी हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू टेक, लेट्स सी कि आप कितने सेकंड्स में यू कंप्लीट वन राउंड. शी इज लाइक शी रन्स एंड देन ऑल हर एंगर इज वैनिश्ड. कहाँ गया, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था, वे डिड इट गो, पता नहीं, बट यस यू डिड वेरी वेल एट रनिंग. फोकस ही चेंज. And that actually happens. Beautiful share.
Yeah,
Thank you.
utilization of energy, it could be
हाँ
in
कि
any
वो
form.
एनर्जी इतनी सारी थी गुस्से आने की, अगर उसी की जगह तो आई नॉर्मली टेल माई किड्स दिस एज वेल कि यार तुम ना जब तुम्हारे को गुस्सा आ रहा होता है ना, उसी एनर्जी को, जब तुम्हारे को गुस्सा आ रहा होता है, अपने फ्रेंड से कोई लड़ाई हो जाती है, कोई गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो उसको ना कुछ ऐसी चीज में यूज कर लो उस गुस्से को जो प्रोडक्टिव सी हो जाए, कुछ अच्छा हो जाए तुम्हारी जिंदगी में उस चीज के लिए, rather than sitting into
I
that anger.
I always teach my kids that whenever you are angry, take a pause, and you should be aware what to say, when to say, how to say, and to whom you are saying. मतलब you should what to speak, when to speak, how to speak. You have to focus on these three things, and always take a pause, because when your mind is calm, you will be able to take the right decision of how to communicate that particular thing. और many of the time it happens कि जब आप शांत हो जाते हो ना, आपको ये भी रियलाइज हो जाती है कि वो चीज है भी है जिसको हमें आंसर करना जरूरी है या नहीं है.
Thank you for that share. Hello, Anita. Thank you for joining in. We are just wrapping up the session.
So I think, it is like more about converting your potential energy into kinetic energy. So come into that movement wala zone anyhow to change your energies.
Very well said. All
I
right,
have
let's
one
hear.
more interesting thing last, Archana
Ah,
ma'am, especially looking at your health issues. Abhi recently, January to February mid, I was also facing the same thing, some health issues, one or other. I was not feeling good to do anything. So what I did is I started attending healing sessions. One day it has happened to me कि ममता ऐसे काम नहीं चलने वाला, you know, you have to do something. तो तब लकीली वो गार्गी के ग्रुप में आ रहा था whosoever want to opt it. I opted for that, right? And what has happened is that particular day I had lot of ulcers into my mouth. मैंने opt कर लिया, बट फिर बाद में घर जाते मुझे लग रहा था कि यार I should drop a message to Kagi, I will not take the session. Then I took it as a challenge कि नहीं यार, अब तूने ले लिया है ना, जैसे भी ये कम बोल लेना, छोटा सेशन ले लेना and do it. Somehow I did it. It went up till 1.30 minutes, मतलब 1 hour 30 minutes. And by God grace, from the next day onwards, my health recovered in a
wow.
tremendous way. So, just a suggestion to you, Archana ma'am, चाहे वन ऑन वन या जैसे भी है, आप भी
अर्चना,
किसी का
अभी
ले लो.
मास्टर क्लास करो यार.
नहीं वो she is right. तो I also try to shift my energy either by joining something or by doing something. तो वो होता ही है, but it's only the matter of 3-4 days. My body may be needing rest. So I'm just
Yeah,
listening
that's
to my
okay.
body and doing the things. So ऐसा नहीं है, मेरा आज free healing session होना ही था. So that is why I have come up with this idea of having free healing sessions, because मुझे लग रहा था कि maybe I need to serve more. So from past 2 months I am doing this. So it's just because this has something which has come up and
It's the
not in
time
my
to fill your
control.
own basket, ma'am. It's the time
Yeah.
to fill your own basket.
So I was like doing healings and something happened during that healing, but ये तो एक natural process है, वो होना ही है ना. I mean, ये होना ही है. Even if it is reaching menopause or maybe it's like onset of it. So it is happening, and yes, जो इस time पर slowly पर without taking much toll on my physical body जो हो सकता है, I'm doing that. तो अब चाहे like I know that attending the session for Karishma is I need not to be very exhaustive. I can lie down and attend and learn something new. And this is what I'm doing. And of course, taking sessions, definitely I will take. It's just a matter of one day or a two. मास्टर क्लास करेंगे
Uh,
क्या करिश्मा? मास्टर
all
क्लास
right,
करेंगे,
let's
बहुत
hear
टाइम
it.
से करी भी नहीं है.
Yeah,
बहुत टाइम से की भी नहीं है मैंने कोई मास्टर क्लास. So I'll
maybe
do
that
the
is
master
holding you.
class.
You're holding on to
हाँ,
it.
अभी तो मैंने तुम्हें बताया था ना, I did that healing and the moment he passed away, so मेरे को उससे थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि वहां से कुछ रिलीज जैसे मेरा भी हुआ है. तो probably, but yes, ये तो होल्डिंग किया ही हुआ है हमने मास्टर क्लास बहुत टाइम से.
Let's go on to Madhulika and wrap up this session. Let's hear it from you, Madhulika. Thank you for holding space for Archana.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. I'll keep it crisp. As we have already discussed, every emotion, the life of every emotion is only 90 seconds. If you don't fuel it, it is very important that stop fueling anything which is negative, which doesn't need your energy, which is useless, which is not worth even thinking. So we need to stop fueling that thought, first of all. Second thought, what comes to my mind is, Karishma, these the people who have depression. See, I have also gone through a very bad stage, but मैं लोगों का सुनती थी, मुझे डिप्रेशन हुआ, मैं सोचती थी हे भगवान कैसे हो जाता है, मतलब मैं एक बार, मतलब होता क्या है ना डिप्रेशन में, लोगों को सांस तक नहीं आता, दे find it hard to breathe. That is what I have heard. But मैंने कहा इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है मेरे साथ में, मैं इतने इतने घंटे रो रही हूँ, पर कोई डिप्रेशन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? इसी को बोलते हैं क्या डिप्रेशन? ऐसे सांस तो मुझे ठीक आ रही है। ओह, मैं मतलब ये सोचती थी। बट depression also, depression, I think it is nothing but the power of your thoughts, how powerful your thoughts are. अब वो डिपेंड करता है, आप पॉजिटिव पावरफुल थॉट्स हैं तो यू विल लीड टू सम डिफरेंट टेंजेंट. इफ दे आर नेगेटिव, सो डेफिनेटली बिकॉज यू आर सो पावरफुल कि आप अपने थॉट्स को इतना फ्यूल करते हो, इतना फ्यूल करते हो अपने थॉट्स को, दैट यू कैन नॉट गेट रिड ऑफ दैट. और अपने आसपास आपने ऐसा ऑरा बना लिया है कि आपके आसपास वही थॉट्स घूमे जा रहे हैं, दिख रहे हैं वो बाकियों को भी, यू नो दैट एनर्जी. So you are so, if you have such a power, मंत्रों में भी तो पावर होती है ना. If you have such a beautiful power that you can change things, you can change energy with just the power of your thoughts. So why don't you use it positively? So let's break that vicious cycle in the first attempt. कि जब वो आपको छोटा सा भी नेगेटिव थॉट आने लगे, just shift your energy, whether you go for a walk, you do something. As I think Mamta ma'am was telling that community plays a very big role over here. Yes, of course. So why not you be the one? I mean, why to wait? Why not you be the one? Why don't you think that आपकी एक स्माइल ने आज क्या पता किसी का दिन बदल दिया हो? आपकी एक छोटी सी हेलो ने क्या पता किसी को कितना अच्छा फील कराया हो. आपका एक छोटा सा जेस्चर जिसमें आपने किसी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया था. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ योरसेल्फ, व्हेन डिड यू लास्ट गिव समवन अ जेन्युइन कॉम्प्लीमेंट? किसी की शर्ट को कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं देना करिश्मा, आपकी शर्ट बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, नहीं. शर्ट इज नॉट गोना लिसन टू दैट एंड बी फील हैप्पी. वो जो सांबर बनाया, सांबर की कढ़ाई ने नहीं खुश होना कि तेरा खाना बहुत, नो. व्हेन डिड यू लास्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड सम अदर पर्सन that you are excellent in this? I like this thing about you. I like, Karishma, the way you involve everyone in the session. See, this is your quality. अगर मैं बोलूं करिश्मा क्या बैकग्राउंड है यार तेरा, it's just a digital thing यार, तू भी ले ले. I mean, you know, so when did you made that shift, that feeling, आपने वो कब दी किसी को? अगर मैं करिश्मा आपको ये बोलूं that करिश्मा you are, अगर मैं आपकी genuinely, see, if I have seen something genuine, आप अपने हस्बैंड के बारे में सोचो. It's not only, या किसी के भी बारे में सोचो, आपकी मेड के बारे में सोचो. It's not only about their shoes, their dress, their sari, their this thing, that. No. What the quality of that person, that, you know, that you want to appreciate that person on that quality. That matters. हम क्यों रुके रहे कि कोई हमारे लिए मदद करे? Why can't you be the one? And you know, the people who take initiative, those are called the leaders.
Oh wow, I love that. This is such a beautiful Bourbon, and I still remember that when we were in the MMI event in the month of January, there was actually this one activity wherein we were supposed to, look at some person and genuinely compliment that person. Ki yaar, the kind of smile that you're wearing is beautiful. The spark in your eyes is amazing. I'm feeling so happy to see you. This and that, I don't know what, but not about the clothes. Not
Yes.
about,
Not
that
about पर्स. यार ब्रांडेड पर्स है, उसने बनाया है. जिसने बनाया उसको एल्डो फेल्डो को पता होगा किसका बनाया क्या है. मेरे को क्या लेना देना? और क्या
सही
पता
बात है मधुलिका.
क्या
सही
पता मेरे
बात
को
है.
किसी ने gift
Such a
किया हो.
beautiful share. Such a
Lovely,
beautiful. I'm going
lovely.
to, I promise I'm going to, uh, compliment at least 5 people today itself.
Yes.
Nee,
And
let's
Karishma,
everybody do this exercise.
yes, yes. And
Let's
Karishma,
everyone do this exercise.
and the thing is, the compliment should be very genuine. It should not be vague. वो हवा में नहीं उड़ना चाहिए.
Exactly.
वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट उस बंदे के साथ में, चाहे वो आपको लिफ्ट में ही मिले, कोई लिफ्ट मैन ही क्यों ना हो, that the way
True.
you help people, I really appreciate you for that. It's a small thing. It's a small gesture. किसी ने आपको पानी ला के पिलाया, the way कि आपका मेरे को पानी देना, you know that what कि मुझे किस टेम्परेचर का पानी चाहिए होता है. I mean, it's a gesture. So why not uh, why not appreciate people's quality, not the things that they hold?
So
Wow.
true. It's always good to appreciate others' qualities.
All right.
It
Yes,
will
Can
give
Mamta.
that
three quick
upliftment.
points? Okay.
Huh.
It is always good to hear from Madhulika ma'am
I know.
because seriously, she gave a lot of good inputs. And last time when she, communicated about this 90 seconds wala na, fuel wala point, you won't believe, ma'am, that day I use it for one of my clients to, she was confused to take some big decision into her life. So I told her this thought, this quote, and she was able to take that decision. I simply offer कि आप देख लो, this is the thought. अब मतलब ये एक quote है. Now you decide which thought you want to fuel,
Wow.
and she stick to her decision. Luckily, one. Second, I forgot. Yeah, the second thing, as you said, ki the leaders are those who take the initiative, right? So here I would like to tell you that this is our initiative hand. We need to use it every time we have to go and to be in a leadership role. This is recently I have learned, so I'm just sharing it with you.
Raise your
This is
hand.
our leadership hand.
Raise your hand.
Yeah, this is our
Because this is
leadership hand.
what we have learned, our mentor taught us this कि आता है या नहीं आता है, but just raise your hand every
Because,
time,
Grab the
and your
opportunity.
hand should be
Raise
like
it.
this only.
and it is your
And
intelligence only who stops you to
हाँ.
take this
yes,
initiative.
yes, क्योंकि हम इतना लॉजिकल वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं ना कि ओ माय गॉड, अगर मेरे को आंसर नहीं आया तो, अजीब आंसर दे दिया तो, गलत दे दिया तो, सही दे दिया, हम ये नहीं सोचते अगर आपने सही दे दिया तो व्हाट इफ इट मेक्स रियल गुड सेंस.
So
Very
I think let's pick up this task, and we must see, if we are in this world, this world has to be a better place to live in. This
बिल्कुल.
should come, yeah, this should come to whosoever comes in touch with us. और अगर हम करिश्मा के सेशन में आ रहे हैं तो it has to happen for sure. Because हम पूरा एक घंटा इतने अच्छे से इतनी पॉजिटिव चीजें करके जाते हैं. So why not to live by those things, whatever we are listening and whatever we are discussing over here. So let's make this thing that we will make at least 3 people or 5 people feel good for their existence.
True.
That is so motivating and so
Heart
active.
touching even.
Yes.
In
So
my case,
let's start.
what I do is
हाँ,
last
हाँ.
whenever I get ready now, there is no one at my place who appreciate that yes, you are looking good. So whenever I get ready and I put on my blusher, I say I am the most beautiful girl into this world. That way I put up my
Yes.
blusher, and once I get ready, I always compliment me that yes, you are looking gorgeous.
बिल्कुल
Wow.
करना
I
चाहिए
don't
जब
I
तक.
don't wait for anyone else like my sasuma or anyone nearby me, because I know nobody will come and say yes, you are looking pretty that time.
No
बाद
one
में
is
जो
coming
मर्जी
for
बोले.
you. No
Yeah.
one is coming for you. No one is coming to save you. Why not let us be someone? My point is, why not let us be someone? Now, why not let us be the one to whom people look up to, that yes, this is the person who made me felt good last time. उसके दिमाग में आना चाहिए ना.
I still remember on that note, this reminds me of this thing. वो स्कूल के ग्रुप्स बने होते हैं ना, उसके ऊपर people would wait to read my birthday wishes, because I would put in lot of energy into it. I would write जो ऐसे दिल में एकदम intuitively आएगा ना, this is what I want to say for this child, this is what I want to say for this child. It was always different, and people were like waiting. And one day, I did not wish, and this girl texted me personally, Karishma, I did not receive your wish. I was like, I'm so sorry. Let me write it to you right now. And that
Yes, because
actually,
you made people feel special. That is the point. Because yes, that is because वो उनके सिर्फ पढ़ने में नहीं जाता, काउंटिंग में नहीं जाता, वो दिल में जाता है.
हाँ,
वो
तो
दिल
मेरे
में
को उस
जाता
दिन
Exactly.
रियलाइज हुआ कि people actually wait to listen कि कितनी डेप्थ से हैप्पी बर्थडे, मे यू बी ब्लेस्ड, ब्ला ब्ला, ये सब बोलते हैं. अभी उसके अलावा क्या बोल रहे हो जो आपके दिल से निकल रहा है एक बच्चे के लिए, फॉर हिज ब्राइट फ्यूचर और व्हाटएवर. Well,
Exactly.
thank you,
बिल्कुल.
Madhulika, for bringing this point out and motivating us to compliment genuinely to people around us. Let's commit to compliment at least, और कुछ नहीं तो 2 लोगों को हम हर रोज compliment करें, right? And I want to start with Madhulika, you only. Thank you so much for थोड़ी सी देर के लिए आते हो, देर से आते हो, जल्दी आते हो, पर whatever you share, it's so insightful. It actually is something, मतलब it's like few words and bigger impact. And that's truly beautiful about you. That
Thank you.
maybe just a sentence you will talk and it will be like, I want to think on it.
True.
That
I
is
mean, I have also
amazing.
realized this thing, although I might not be very regular, but whenever I come and hear Madhulika, she has a very beautiful way of, being short, crisp, and to the point. तो मैं
It's
यही सोचती हूँ कि
subtle.
मुझे भी ना ये गुण आना चाहिए. मैं थोड़ा सा ज्यादा एक्सप्रेसिव हूँ. So,
नहीं, but we have
like
not
I'm just
learned this art, कि थोड़े से words में कैसे अपनी बात communicate
हाँ,
करें.
so this is what like we are still in learning phase, no? So maybe
So
we will
glad.
so
we will
nice to
also
have.
I'm glad if it
Madhulika
helps.
से धीरे धीरे हम ये सब सीख लेंगे.
So nice of you. I'm glad if it helps someone somewhere at any point of time. I mean, life is sorted. और क्या चाहिए life से?
सही बात है.
बिल्कुल.
Thank you.
बाकी
Thank you.
ऊपर
चलो
वाले की
जी.
कृपा तो है ही बहुत अच्छी कि करिश्मा के ग्रुप में आके जुड़ गए. See, it was just like a tukka for me, Karishma.
करिश्मा
It was
से
just
ही
like
जुड़
a
जाना
tukka.
अपने में बहुत बड़ी बात है.
I was not looking forward to anything like that or something. पता नहीं कहाँ से रील देखी या पता नहीं कहाँ से मैसेज देखा और क्लिक कर दिया. I said okay. And
She
it was
has such a divine energies
yeah,
in
it
her
is a
being.
blessing for me. I've told her already that it is a blessing for me. I count you whenever I write, I count my blessings. So Karishma is there.
Wow. Thank you. I feel privileged. I feel blessed when you guys.
Karishma के ग्रुप करिश्मा हो रहा है. We can say
क्या?
करिश्मा के ग्रुप में आके करिश्मा हो रहा है.
होए क्या बात है माँ. Thank you so much. I feel
करिश्मा का करिश्मा.
चलो.
New name, new title.
God bless each one of you. God bless you. May each person, each soul that you touch, उनको उससे भी ज्यादा अच्छी फीलिंग है. उनको लगे कि यार जिंदगी सुंदर हो गई इनसे मिलके. Right? God bless
ममता
you.
चली गई.
हाँ, she left.
ममता left. Okay.
ठीक है. Take good care of yourself and see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. And the ones who intend to join at 10 p.m., we have a session tonight as well. Please feel free to join.
Yeah, I'll share that link in the other group, huh, Karishma? I'll share that link in the other group. 10 p.m. wala.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Madhulika.
Thank
Thanks,
you. Thank
Anita.
you.
Bye bye. ममता चली गई, उसका थैंक यू ममता.